Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to activate Triangle credit card. For that, make sure you open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now at the search bar, you can simply search ctfs.com. You will be now lead to the official homepage of CTF or Canadian Tire Bank. Now here you can see the option Activate Your Card Now option. If you don't see this option, you can simply click on the credit card option. Here you can see many options, and at the end you can see the option Activate Your Credit Card. We have to simply click on that option. To start the activation process, we have to select one of the options below. The first one is Activate without logging in, and another one is Sign in to activate. For this video, I am going for Activate without logging in. After clicking your option, we have to simply click on Continue. Again, now you have to choose two options. If you know your PIN, then you can simply click on I know my PIN, and if you don't know your PIN, then you can simply click on I don't know my PIN. Here you can see that I have clicked on the I know my PIN option. After this, we have to simply click on Continue. You will be now guided to the step 1 process of activating your card. So first you need to write down your card number. After you are done typing your card number, we have to simply type our 3-digit security code. You can simply click on Continue. And after that, you will be led to the step 2, where you need to verify your identity for security purpose. And after that, you will be asked to set a 4-digit PIN number, which will be your transaction PIN number. And after this process, your Triangle credit card will be activated. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.